Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. I'm Feifei.
And I'm Roy. Feifei, have you listened to the latest song by my favourite band, Dragon Tennis?
Dragon Tennis are a terrible band who make dreadful music. Mic drop.
What? I think the lead singer dropped the microphone once. You can't hate them because of that.
No, Roy, we say mic drop at the end of a sentence after we have made an impressive or pertinent point in a discussion, rendering the conversation over.
Oh, so our conversation is finished? Okay, well, that makes sense about the expression mic drop.
Yes, we can also use it after you've just finished roasting someone.
Yes, for example, Feifei, your taste in music is terrible, which is why you don't appreciate Dragon Tennis. Mic drop.
Very good example, but not true. Let's listen to these examples.
Your idea is the worst thing I've ever heard. Mic drop. I can't believe he ended his message with mic drop. He's so wrong and the discussion is not over. This is undoubtedly the best game ever. Mic drop.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the expression mic drop, which is commonly used at the end of a discussion when someone makes a point that ends the conversation.
Yes, it's quite common in messages or emails. It's also seen with the verb perform.
That's right, perform a mic drop. I use this a lot when I'm discussing things with people, and I know I'm right.
It's true that you say that a lot. I think you've explained the expression really well.
It's true. My job here is done. Mic drop.
Very good use of mic drop. What else should we teach now?
Nothing. I was serious when I said mic drop. Bye.
Bye.